Good evening, traders. What I'm doing here is going to try to show you how you can make some quick profits by trading a butterfly. Going back to June the 14th, looking at the ES, the futures market, as you can see, it's been on an uptick from the 6 o'clock open, and it's gone up a few handles. And the ES is the same thing as SPX. So what I'm going to look to do is to buy a butterfly on the options that expire today. The market just opened, as you can see, it rolled over to 930. So I'm going to give it a minute or two here to kind of let the option prices settle down and to see if the market which way it's going to go. So right now it's still showing a green candle, but it's showing like a hammer candle right now. So it opened up at 37.70 and got pushed down 6 handles real quick. So let's see if we can buy a 37.70 put butterfly and for 30 cents, and it filled for 30 cents. So what we have here is a trade that can only lose $30 per contract. If you'd traded 10 contracts, or that would have been $300, but just traded one contract here for this demonstration. So what I'm going to look to do is, since I bought it for 30, I'm going to look to sell it for at least 60. I went the wrong way here. $0.60 in credit. So if it gets filled at 60 cents in credit, obviously it will double our money. And you can go to the monitor tab right here. As you can see, it shows what we have done. It's a live update as to profit. And since I sold the 37.70, it's about 7 handles short. I need it to come to me, so I need to to get it to rally up. Well, it just sold, and it sold for 75 cents. So that's a 45 cents or $45 profit, and that certainly didn't take long to fill. Time is about 5 minutes. I've got this thing sped up at 3 times the normal rate. So you've been in the market about 5 minutes on that trade and would have made $45. So that's how quick a butterfly can pay off if you get onto them early in the morning. So if you utilize this strategy,